Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about camera. As you can see, we have the camera in our project. Imagine you go to this view and you want to make the view of your scene just like the view of camera. You should click on camera, go to game object and select align view to select it. Now we have the exact view of the camera. But imagine if you want to you make the scene like this, and if you want to make a camera look like this. For example, if I hit play now, and check our condition, you will see the cube goes into that direction, but the view is different from the view that you want. If you want this scene view, you should click on main camera and go to the game object and select align with view. Now the camera view is exactly like the view of the scene. So now if I hit play, you have the view that you want in the game tab. Remember, the game tab is the tab that player will see. And also you can change some aspects of camera. For example, you can change the field of view. And you can also set how far camera detect things. For example, if I make the far value to 10, it's going 10 steps forward and see anything until the 10 steps. And if I increase it a little bit, you can see the things are going slowly to appear. And we can also change the value of the near one. For example, now we see the things ranging from 20 to 60. And the default value is good. And we can also make the projection of camera change. The perspective is normal one for 3D games, but in 2D games sometimes orthographic is better. For 2D games or specific games. And it has size, so it will capture anything in a different way. And also you can see if I change the position, you can see the depth. The things aren't going to be any smaller. But if I set this back to perspective, you can see if I change the Z value of it or X value, you can see the pole is going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Also, so these are the things that you can choose with camera. Unity has also another system called Cinemachine that is not the topic of this video, and you can have multiple cameras, but for controlling them you should be aware. that. And you can choose, you can make it render texture for a camera. That's it for this video. I talk about cameras, but I'm going to make another video for the render texture. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found it helpful and good, recommend it to your friends and like it, share it, and subscribe it. They help me a lot.